Century 21 Northwest Property Management supports out-of-state owners on a daily basis. In fact, a majority of our investor owners are all over the country and even sometimes other parts of the world. That's facilitated through great tools. We've got a management portal that owners can log into from anywhere and see what the latest is on their property, see their statements, access their bills, put money in or take money out of the system. Whatever their needs are, they can do it right online. The other ways we are able to stay connected with them is by using things like Teams or even FaceTime to get out of the property and really connect with the owner and show them if there's an issue, or walk them through a project that we're managing for them on reconstruction or tenant improvement or capital upgrade. We can connect with them and let them know exactly what's happening with that property, just like if they were right across the street.